The vertical line test is a method that we use to determine whether the graph of an equation is a function or not. The vertical line test states that an equation is a function if no vertical line intersects the graph of the equation in more than one point. So let's look to do some examples to see how this can figure out. So say we're talking about a line that looks like that. So what we want to assess in the vertical line test is that no vertical line intersects the graph of the equation in more than one place. So notice that if we draw any vertical line, it's only going to intersect the graph in one place. So since this is the case, then this line is the graph of a function. So now let's take something that looks like a parabola. Again, we apply the vertical line test and we draw vertical lines to see if we can find any point where a vertical line intersects the graph in more than one point. And as it turns out, this, like the line, yields a function. Finally, let's look at a graph that looks like this. Right? So now notice that if we draw a vertical line here, it actually intersects the graph at 3 points. So since we found at least one line that intersects the graph at more than one point, then this graph is not a function. So that's how we use the vertical line test to determine whether graphs are functions or not.